Hey, how you doing? Um, I really dug that video because it gave me an idea. You know, there's no reason really, particularly if you lived in a city where there was good wireless citywide, like downtown Sarasota, Florida, or soon to be Philadelphia, New Orleans, San Francisco, that that little helicopter couldn't become a courier. And what I mean is that you would have a camera on it to show you where you are. You'd hook into your citywide wireless local area network to use your remote. You'd have probably a slightly larger machine, although maybe that's the right size depending on its ability to carry weight. And what you would do is, for instance, instead of messengering a file from here to there, across town, you'd put it on that little helicopter. You'd guide the helicopter with the remote and the camera and send it to the place where delivery is intended. And you'd eliminate gas. You'd eliminate a car or a bicycle messenger, whom we all love, though. And you could probably do it at quite a high speed and a relatively low cost. So, depending on the quality of the machines, and let's jump down a decade or two in the technology, I could send a machine like that for groceries at Walmart. They could load it and send it back. And obviously, if it can support that kind of a transaction, it can support an ATM, a debit or credit card transaction as well. My name's Joe Shea. I invent things, and I liked your idea a lot. I'm editor-in-chief of the American Reporter. It's a daily newspaper on the internet at www.american-reporter.com. And you can reach me at amreporter, AMREPORTER, at AOL.com. Anyway, great video, and it really makes me think. Thanks.